don't know about you guys, but I'm hungry. Rocky, you hungry? What do you think we should eat? How about you, Billy? What should we eat? What is that? Panakbet? You heard it. I'm gonna have to make some Pinakbet. Let's go. Alright guys, so here's another cooking thing. My wife actually wanted to eat this Filipino dish. It's called Pinakbet. We're missing some ingredients, okay, so don't get me, I'm here in Texas, so it's hard to find some of the things. I don't have alamang, and I don't have some of the ginger, but it's still good. So this recipe, we don't have lechon kawali, so we're actually gonna use pork belly, which is pretty cheap here in Texas. We have some okra, we have eggplant underneath. I didn't cut all this, my wife did. And then we got some green beans. So basically what now, since we got the pork belly, we'll actually like eating this stuff by itself. So I'm gonna fry some of these. To cut pork belly, they want you to actually have it frozen, because it's actually easier to cut when it's frozen. But my trick is, if it's not frozen, and you're cutting it like this, because you know, unless your knife is super sharp, if you don't have a super sharp knife, I basically cut stuff with this, and it makes life so much easier. These shears, so my wife did that. I'm pretty sure this is not wet, so I know she used the knife. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna get this stuff nice and good. It takes a while. It's sticking right now, but once it gets like fried up, it'll unstick, and I'm gonna flip them and separate these. Add this. This is all gonna transfer in that pot. So right now I'm getting this just here. I'm gonna go lightly salt this bad boy. I guess I'll do it. I'm gonna salt the bad boy. That is so dumb. Oh man, it's going off my elbow and falling on the pork belly, and I'm making a huge mess. Salt Bae, baby. A little bit of salt. I'm gonna have to hit that up next time. I'm actually gonna be a little cleaner on it. A little bit of pepper. Alright, this is what I'm looking for. The stuff is already there. These are not done yet. I would normally do everything in this one pot, but we have to do all this. I kind of wanted this on the side. So what I'm doing now is I'm gonna transfer this right here to this pot. Alright, oil. And I'm trying to do my best to get the oil in there. Alright, so I'm basically gonna get this in there. That's ready, almost ready. So I'm just transferring it. Kind of what I'm doing right now. Getting this all ready, nice and crispy. Man, our house is gonna smell like bacon. Alright. So now that that's doing its thing, basically gonna take this, onions and garlic, stick it in there. Get that right up. Right now the star is the tomato, even the juice. This goes like a fast forward kind of. Right now I'm gonna actually get this tomato to kind of break down a little bit. And once it breaks down, I'm gonna add 2.5 cups of water. 2.5 cups. 1 cup. 2 cups. 1/2 cup. Alright, it's been about 10 or 15 minutes, maybe 15. So this has been boiling really hard. What I've been waiting for, and I had to add maybe another cup of water and a little more patis fish sauce. What I've been waiting for is the tomatoes to actually kind of disintegrate. It's almost like marinara. Marinara takes a long time. So I wait for that tomatoes to disintegrate, which it did. adding in the green beans first. So this could be added in stages, right? So green beans go in, I'll have this in for about 5 minutes. And then from there, what's gonna go next is the okra. And after that is gonna go the eggplant last, because that we don't want the eggplant to get soggy. So once the eggplant's done, we're gonna cut it off. So that's what we're doing. So, alright, it's been about 5 minutes. Oh man, those beans. Look at those beans rolling hard. So right now, yeah, we gotta do it in stages because we don't want the vegetables to like cook before the other. So now we got the okra. I'll put this in, and I'll have this in for maybe, let's say, another 3, 4, 5 minutes, because okra will cook. And then the last thing that will be cooking is the eggplant. So I already added the okra, and then shortly after, about